Welcome to Miss Wow, where today's spotlight shines on embroidery, mother of the bride dresses that sparkle with heart and tradition. From delicate vines to bold florals, embroidery turns a dress into a story worth celebrating. We'll explore styles, colors, and fits that flatter every figure and vibe. Stay until the end for smart shopping tips. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Start with silhouette. Align dresses offer gentle shape without clinging. Fit and flare adds movement for dancing. Sheath styles look sleek under long coats. Consider sleeve options. Cap sleeves for summer, 3/4 for coverage, or illusions with lace. Necklines matter too. V-neck lengthens, boat neck feels classic, and scoop is friendly. Color sets the mood. Soft champagne, dusty blue, and rose gold play nicely with most wedding palettes. Deep navy, emerald, or plum feel rich for evening ceremonies. Ask the bride about her color story and avoid matching the bridal gown exactly. Coordinate with bridesmaids while keeping mom distinctive. Metallic embroidery threads add sparkle without loud sequins. Embroidery tells a story through motifs and placement. Floral sprays feel romantic. Geometric vines look modern. Scattered buds soften curves, while vertical trails lengthen the body. Border embroidery at the hem and cuffs gives balance without overwhelming. If curvy, place denser patterns higher to guide the eye. If petite, keep motifs small and spaced. Great embroidery shines only when the fit is right. Measure bust, waist, hips, and hollow to hem carefully. Check size charts for each brand, since numbers vary. Plan for alterations, especially hems and straps. Ask tailors to protect stitching with tissue when adjusting seams. A supportive bra and shapewear can smooth lines without squeezing. You now know how to pick embroidery mother of the bride dresses that honor tradition and celebrate personality. Keep silhouette, color, placement, and comfort working together like a team. Let accessories support. Share this video with your favorite moms for a joyful planning boost. For trusted options, check the Amazon links in the description. I earn a small commission while you pay no extra cost.